Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, well, I'm going to Harbor Freight, a little while ago, and as y'all remember, I did the video on the U.S. General little 4-drawer tool cart I picked up and everything. It was damaged. Got it for a decent price. Oh, what's the first thing you got to do when you get a tool cart? You got to have tools to go in it. So I wound up going back, and this is my little tool haul for it, and I'll do a video and everything later on showing how I've got everything organized in there. So I'm just having your basic set of tools to go in there. So I picked up this little tool set, little Pittsburgh 22-piece combination. It's got standard and metric and everything, as you can tell. Item number 68729. So I've got that. It's from 1/4 inch all the way up to 7/8, and from on the standard and metric is 6 to 19. Okay. So as you can tell, there's my recipe and everything. So let's see, where is that one at on here? That one, because I wound up getting a 15% off. That one was $18.69. So there's that. Well, I wound up getting the Warrior hex shank socket drivers. This is item 68513, and let me find it on here. I just saw it. That came up to $2.79. I saved $1.20 with the 30% off. So right now they're doing 15 and 30% off. So today's the last day for it, so go get something. Now, I needed sockets. So this is my 3/8 drive. This is shallow, and this is the standard and metric. It's item 61954. And then I got the 1/4 inch drive, and this is item 62303. It's the same thing, shallow with the ratchet, standard and metric. And the 3/8 drive, that's that. Oh, no. Okay, the 3/8 drive, standard and metric, it was $18.69. So they took $3.30 off with the 15% off. 1/4 inch drive was $15.29. They took $2.70 off. So far not bad. Now, if you're gonna get the 1/4 inch drive, I want to have, since I got the shallow, I got the standard and metric in 1/4 inch drive. The metric is 67874, and the standard is 61333. And those, okay, the 1/4 inch drive came up to $6.99 with $3 off at 30%, and the standard came up to $8.49. I don't know what. Okay, for some reason they only gave me 15% off. I'm still not going to complain. $1.50. I got flame out, damn it! Flame out, flame out. And then I wound up getting the same thing in deep sockets, standard and in metric. So the metric is item 67867, and standard is, where is it, 61291. So when it comes to sockets, I got shallow and deep, standard and metric. Let's see. So the 10-piece 3/8 deep came up to $11.04, saved $1.95. And then it was same price on the standard, $11.04, saved $1.95. And of course, you gotta have some magnetic parts tray. Okay, so I got a couple of those. Others are on here, and they came up to be $1.39 each. So saved whole 60 cents. And then gotta have some pliers, just some basic set of pliers and everything. And this set right here was $12.74. They took $2.25 off. Okay. And then today it was like, okay, there are a couple of things I forgot. I wound up getting the screwdriver set. Oh, and the part number for the plier set, 64729. But the screwdriver set is 62570. And that's actually on this other receipt. The screwdriver set was $2.09. It took a whole 90 cents off. But for the wrenches, keep them organized, I got the US General wrench organizer, 2-piece, so that'll work. And that was $9.99 with $3 off. Now the other thing is, these are something I've had for a while. I've got the 1/4-inch drive metric, that way I can put my shallow, actually I can put the shallow and deep on this one. And then I've got shallow and deep on the 3/8 and standard, and then shallow and deep on the metric. That way I've got all of those taken care of. But then I wound up getting the Bauer. Now mind you, this is all stuff right here. I'm leaving all the cobalt in the other one. But I got the Bauer brushless 1/2-inch drive with a 1/2-inch drill driver. Drill, it says drill driver. And this is item 58952. And that was $33.99. They took $6 off. And I had to get a 1/4-inch drive impact, you know, the little drill driver. It's 58847. And that was, of course, $33.99, $6 off. And yes, I did get the extended warranties on these. And I figured with what I'm saving, they paid themselves off. So, last but not least, I went and got the 8-amp-hour battery. Now this is $99, but they're running a special on it. I can't say. I've got another video that's going to be dealing with this. So, yep, that's it. That's what I wound up getting between yesterday, which was Saturday, and today being Sunday. So that's everything I've gotten so far. Like I said, I've got another video dealing with some of the other stuff I've gotten today. So y'all stick around for that one. That'll be out shortly. But anyways, in the meantime, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that bell notification. Later, guys.